Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am going to share with you people regarding English speaking skill, a very positive, very fruitful, very result oriented skill, very result oriented tip that generally we people, non-native people speaking English, what we do actually while speaking English with someone, while having conversation with someone, whosoever he is sitting or standing before us, we start thinking in Urdu, then translating our thoughts, our ideas into English, then we start uttering, then we start speaking English. So this is one of the major hurdles in our way of speaking English. Dear viewers, wherever you are, regardless your territory, your country, if you are like us and like me, non-native, we are not talking and speaking about native people, of course. We are non-native. We have to learn this skill. That is very compulsory. It's an indispensable, it's an inevitable. How we can develop fluency in our English language. Very simple thing that instead of thinking in Urdu and then translating into English, we need to train our subconscious and start thinking in English, because this way our English will get better as soon as possible, and we will be able to develop fluency in our conversation, in our speaking very quickly. Imagine, dear viewers, of course, when we are having conversation with someone, we have to think, and instead of thinking in Urdu, let's start and train your subconscious. Start thinking in English, the target language which is targeted and in which we have to speak, in which we have to express ourselves, in which we have to communicate ourselves. So just only you have to convince yourself internally that I have to train my subconscious. You have to convince your mind, your brain, that instead of thinking in Urdu, I have to think in English. I have to make up mind that I must think in English. And I am sure, dear viewers, so as it is applied, it has been experimented methodology. I myself applied it on myself. I experimented it on myself. That's why today I am fluent in English. And no matter whosoever person is sitting before me, no matter wherever I am standing, no matter what type of gathering is sitting or standing before me, I can speak English fluently, flawlessly, without hesitation. Why? Because the basic reason, very basic reason and result oriented tip I am going to share you, that just you have to train your subconscious and just start thinking in English. With a very short span of time, you will also be speaking English flawlessly. And you will also be able to surprise the people. You will be able to surprise your colleagues, your friends, your teachers, and you will become an extraordinary and exceptional, fluent, and English speaker. I will be looking forward to your comment, dear. Live happy wherever you live. May Allah protect all of us.